Nobody dey enjoy unwanted guests like mice, bedbugs, or other pests for their home. Una ever experience mechanical problem with heat, plumbing, and electricity? Wetin about flooding, window wey don break down, or appliances wey no dey work? I welcome una to Office of Residential Tenancies. For this video, we go dey look at repair and pests. So, who dey responsible to deal with repairs or pests during tenancy? Landlords and tenants get rights and responsibility wey need to be respected. Wetin happen go determine who dey responsible to correct the situation. Tenancy agreement na contract. The tenant don agree to pay rent and landlord don agree to provide and maintain a habitable place for im tenant to live. Na the landlord's responsibility to deal with pests and the repairs because they don agree to maintain the property. Landlord fit dey liable to compensate tenant if e no maintain property. As tenant get right to habitable place to live, tenant dey responsible for problems or wahala wey im cause, or if im fail to cooperate with the effort wey landlord dey make to correct them. Correct communication dey reduce yawa or wahala. Tenant suppose report issues immediately to their landlord, and landlord suppose encourage early reporting make matter no go worse. Abeg, make sure say request dey for writing so that both parties go understand. Make una list wetin need repair or action wey dem suppose carry out and when dem suppose finish am. If dispute dey, tenant no sabi withhold rent while dem dey wait for repairs to dey completed. Unpaid rent na ground for eviction, which means say landlord fit evict tenant wey no pay im rent. Instead, both tenant and landlord dem suppose apply to ORT. Dem fit order either party to carry out the repair. Tenant fit get their rent reduced, or dem fit award money to the tenant if the hearing officer see say repair dey needed or pest dey. Landlord fit defend the claim if im get the proof say na the tenant cause the wahala. If na tenant cause the wahala or the gbege, other fit say make dem pay for all or part of the cost landlord go use fix the problem. My small advice be say simple conversation fit go long way. For more information, abeg visit ORT website.